Instructional design models and theories have different but complementary roles in education and training. Models are like blueprints. They are practical, step-by-step guides for creating learning materials. They outline stages like analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. For instance, ADDIE is a popular model that helps practitioners create effective learning content. Theories, on the other hand, explain why people learn and provide insights into designing instructions. They are based on psychology, cognitive science, and behavior. For example, Andragogy focuses on the unique characteristics and motivations of adult learners. In short, models are practical tools that show how to design, while theories explain how and why learning works. Both are essential to create effective learning experiences. To learn more about these differences and some models and theories, click the links in the description.